So today we are going to solve a Harvard University entrance exam questions. The question is, if 2 to the power of x equal 50, then x equal what? So I'm going to solve now. First of all, read out these questions. Then, in the right side, we see that there is a number. First of all, we should factorize this. So, right hand side equal 50. Then we can write 50 as a 2 multiply 25. And we can write 25 as a 5 multiply 5. So 5 multiply 5 is 5 square. Now the question was 2 to the power x equal 50. So we can write 2 multiply 5 square. Now divided by 2 in both sides. Divided by 2 in both sides. Divided by 2 in both sides. So here remain 2 to the power x divided by 2. Here 2 cancel out 5 square. Now we know a law that a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. So similarly here the power of 2 is 1. So 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power 1. We can write 2 to the power x minus 1 equal 5 square. Now take log base 2 in both sides. Log base 2. Log base 2 in both sides. So here remain log 2. 2 to the power x minus 1 equal log 2 5 square. Now we know that log a base b to the power m equal m log a base b. So similarly here the power is x minus 1. So we can write x minus 1 log 2 base 2 equal here 2 is power. So 2 log 2 base 5. Now we know the another law is log a base a equal 1. Similarly log 2 base 2 equal 1. So log 2 base 2 here is 1 equal to log 2 base 5. Now x minus 1 multiply 1 is x minus 1 equal to log 2 base 5. So now add 1 in both sides. X minus 1 plus 1 equal 2 log 2 to the power 5 plus 1. So add 1 in both sides. Then minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Here remain only x equal 1 plus 2 log 2 to the power 5. And this is the value of x. And it's our answer. So if you are guys enjoying this video, please make subscribe on our channel.